Hello friends, welcome to our channel. N.P.K fertilizers are a balanced mixture of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These are the three primary macronutrients that plants need in large amounts to grow big and strong. In this video, we will tell you what N.P.K is and give you some examples of N.P.K. Let's get started. First, we'll start with the N in N.P.K, which stands for nitrogen. Nitrogen is an essential nutrient for plants as it helps them make amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. Proteins are important for many processes in the plant, including photosynthesis, growth, and repair. Nitrogen is also important for the color of the plant. A nitrogen deficiency can cause the leaves to turn yellow or pale. This is because nitrogen helps produce chlorophyll, which is the pigment that gives plants their green color. You may have noticed that grass often turns yellow in the fall, when there is less nitrogen available. This is why we fertilize our lawns in the spring and summer when there is more nitrogen available. So, nitrogen is important for the growth and development of the plant, as well as the color of the plant. Now we'll move on to the P in N.P.K, which stands for phosphorus. Phosphorus is another essential nutrient for plants. It helps the plant in energy transfer, root development, and flowering. Phosphorus is also important for the plant's resistance to diseases. Phosphorus deficiency can cause the plant to grow slowly and the leaves to turn purple. This is because phosphorus helps the plant make energy to grow. Phosphorus is also important for root development, so a phosphorus deficiency can cause the roots to become thin and weak. And finally, phosphorus is important for flowering, so a phosphorus deficiency can cause the flowers to drop off the plant. Now let's move on to the K in N.P.K, which stands for potassium. Potassium is also an essential nutrient for plants. It helps regulate the plant's water balance, and also helps convert sunlight into energy. Potassium is also important for the plant's resistance to diseases and pests. A potassium deficiency can cause the leaves to turn brown and crispy. This is because potassium helps the plant retain water, so a potassium deficiency can cause the plant to lose water and become dehydrated. So these are just some of the benefits of N.P.K fertilizer. By providing your plants with the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium they need, you can help them grow big and strong. And here are 3 organic fertilizers for each of the 3 N.P.Ks. We have blood meal, bone meal, and fish emulsion. For phosphorus fertilizers, we have rock, phosphate, bone meal, and wood ash. And for potassium fertilizers, we have wood ash. So if you want to give your plants the best chance to thrive, be sure to use an N.P.K fertilizer. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.